Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the most luxurious and powerful SUVs on the market. The 2024 HAMANN BMW X7. This is not your ordinary X7. This is a customized version by HAMANN, a German tuning company that specializes in modifying BMW vehicles. Let's take a look at what makes this SUV so special. First of all, the exterior design. The HAMANN BMW X7 has a distinctive look that sets it apart from the standard model. The front fascia features a new bumper with large air intakes, a blacked-out grille with LED illumination, and crystal headlights that add a touch of elegance. The side profile showcases the 23-inch forged wheels with a multi-spoke design and a lowered suspension that improves the handling and stability. The rear end has a sporty diffuser with quad exhaust tips and a roof spoiler that enhances the aerodynamics. The interior of the HAMANN BMW X7 is equally impressive. The cabin is spacious and luxurious, with high-quality materials and craftsmanship. The seats are covered in premium leather with contrast stitching and HAMANN logos, and they offer heating, cooling, and massage functions. The dashboard and the door panels have carbon fiber accents that match the exterior color. The infotainment system has a 12.3-inch touchscreen with gesture controls, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon sound system. The driver also gets a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a head-up display that projects vital information on the windshield. But the most exciting part of the HAMANN BMW X7 is under the hood. The SUV is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That's an increase of 73 horsepower and 74 pound-feet over the standard X7 M60i. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system that can distribute the power to each wheel as needed. The HAMANN BMW X7 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The HAMANN BMW X7 also has some advanced features that make it safer and more comfortable to drive. It has an adaptive air suspension that can adjust the ride height and stiffness according to the road conditions and the driving mode. It also has a semi-autonomous driving system called Highway Assistant, which allows hands-free driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on compatible roadways. The SUV also has various driver assist features such as blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and more. The HAMANN BMW X7 is not cheap though. The base price for the X7 xDrive 40i starts at $82,895. But if you want the HAMANN package, you'll have to pay an extra $30,000. That's not including the options and accessories that you can add to personalize your SUV even more. So, what do you think of the 2024 HAMANN BMW X7? Do you like it or not? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. With